Hey, have you ever had a water leak and panicked because you couldn't find a shutoff valve? I've got this amazing app called InMapz, and it's a lifesaver. Let me show you how it works. See, just bring up your building's map. Now, let's say there's a plumbing emergency and you need to find the shutoff valve fast. Just tap on the Devices tab, search Water Shutoff, and there they are. Now tap on Locate to see them marked clearly on the map. Easy, right? This has saved my company so much stress, especially when things go wrong at the worst times. And it's not just for shutoff valves. You can find all sorts of essential locations in your building. So next time you're in a bind, don't worry, just open InMapz and you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Stay safe and contact us for a free demo at inmapz.com.